Hello, I'm Tom Lonzinski from T&L Pierogies in Hazleton, Pennsylvania. T&L Pierogies started back in 1996, 1997, sitting around a table during an Easter dinner, and we got talking about how good our pierogies were and how everybody enjoyed them at that Lenten dinner. And it went from there to saying maybe we should try to sell them. Starting back in 1997 from making 50 to 100 dozen on a tabletop at home, today we make basically anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 dozen a day. We feel we built a nice staple in the area. We do many of the firemen's bazaars, we do a lot of the church bazaars. We are one of the premier stands at the Bloomsburg Fair, and that keeps us happy in a way that we're satisfying a lot of families out there. A pierogi is an old-fashioned ethnic flavor that turned into a comfort food. With this pierogi, we bring back a lot of memories with people, and often we get letters in the mail, and often we hear a lot of people say to us, boy, the pierogies you put on the market, they bring back memories because this is just how my grandmother used to make it. The recipes came from great-grandmothers and grandmothers. If they were alive today to see what we were doing with this product, I think they would be glowing with honor. And we're so proud that we had these recipes handed down to us because it built our business. That's what we built it on. We built it on family and pride, and we're happy where we stand right now.